of sending those text messages, and I showed you in there over 1,400 pages of text messages between you and the defendant sent after July 26th of 2022.
Yes.
Okay. Now, those text messages, I'll see you when I get home, love you, leave the door unlocked. After reviewing those text messages, and being honest before this court, you're under oath, you were still living with the defendant at his apartment at Sterling Glen Apartments after July 26th of 2022. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to take you to that night. You've given statements to my office. You've given statements to the police. You've testified in court about all of these things. So I'm going to ask you, what happened that night? Were you and the defendant arguing that night?
I want to say yes.
Okay. And what, if you recall, what were you arguing about?
Him being faithful to me.
All right. Him being faithful to you. Did you suspect him of cheating on you at that time?
Yes.
In fact, was that a constant concern pretty much throughout your relationship?
Yes.
Did you know a specific person he had cheated on you with?
Not really.
Did you know somebody named Avion Smyer, or who she was?
Yes. Yes.
Had you ever met her?
No.
But how did you know who she was?
I was cleaning out a bin of clothes and I came across like a love letter from her, and it was a picture of them together. And it was a t-shirt with her name on it and I guess a graduation year. I can't remember. I just know that her name was on the back of a shirt.
Throughout your relationship with the defendant, did you consistently, I'll say consistently, but at times were there times that you would argue with him and confront him about your suspicions of him cheating on you?
Yes.
Was it a pretty common argument that the two of you had?
Yes.
When you would confront the defendant with these allegations that he's cheating on you and things like that, did he admit them, or did he come up with an excuse, or what happened?
Excuses.
Okay. Now, that night, the 26th, did you have such an argument with him that we've been discussing, this confronting him about being unfaithful to you?
Yes.
Now, I know it's a long time ago, and so you just do the best you can on remembering. But what time did that start in that day? Was it already going on all day, or was there something that day, if you remember, that triggered that argument?
It was going on all day.
Now, ultimately, you're aware, because we've talked about it before, and you've been questioned about it by police and everybody. The defendant says that you were chasing him around Norcross and other places potentially, just around Norcross that night because of the argument. Were you doing that?
I can't remember.
Do you recall telling Lieutenant Xavier Biggers and Corporal Austin Goldrig and myself and Investigator Kelly Perkins in the back of the courtroom and Eddie Matucci and everybody else that you did not chase him around Norcross that night?
Did not chase him.
Do you recall telling us that that night you were not chasing the defendant around Norcross?
I'm sorry, repeat that question one more time. What last part? The last part.
So the first question was, were you chasing the defendant around Norcross all night that night after that argument?
No.